In this video, I will show how to create public view link in Canva. So very simple and easy way. Click on share and click on this public view link. Now click on create public view link. Create a public view link to allow anyone to access a view only version of this design. No sign in required. So just click here create, and if you need to delete it, you can delete easily anytime. Now just copy and paste in any browser. So public can access easily your link and your design. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.